In this video we're taking a look at the Mora Eldris. I have two of these. I'll be giving one away, and in this video I'll let you know how you can win it. Morakniv is a Swedish company located in the city of Mora. I'll ask my Swedish friends to let me know in the comments below what the proper pronunciation is. So what they do is they make high quality knives that are affordable. They make them at different price ranges. You can get one starting at around 10 euro and they go all the way up to 150 euro. You can pick up this Eldris for around 30 euro. So a bit about the knife itself. It is a so-called neck knife. It means that there's a place here where you can put a cord through, and then you can wear it around your neck. And in this way you have easy access to it. So what this is a so-called 3-finger blade. So it's a very small blade in terms of length, which is a good thing because you can have a fairly small knife with a short blade in case there are some restrictions in the area where you're using it, or you don't want to be walking around with a Rambo knife. This is great because this offers you the functionality of a much larger knife. Looking at the grip size as well, this is almost a full grip. So what can you actually do with it? You can use it for scraping wood, you can use it for some food preparations, and the most important thing possibly is you can use it with the fire steel because this edge here is completely sharp as well. This blade is however a bit too small for splitting wood. For that you would want to have something bigger. For example, this one here, this is the Gansbol, just to compare size. The grip is smaller, but it has the same look and feel, especially feel. It's a nice anti-slip rubberized material. So if you'd